Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Boeing, just a crazy, crazy day, and the market was going up. This thing was going down, so definitely very weak compared to the markets, and things are not looking much better going into the weekend here. I traded it today, but from a disclosure standpoint, I'm in all cash now. Don't own any more shares of it. But I will definitely be watching it'll probably be number one on my watch list on Monday. I suppose that could always change. But the main level that I'm definitely going to be watching, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. This is not some sort of special talent that I have. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching very closely this area right here at 128.85, 128.90, right around there. And, and I bring that up about a lot of people watching it because when a lot of people are watching a certain level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. And you're going to have all kinds of people watching that level from both longs to shorts wondering, is that area going to hold? I mean, so far so good. It's really established itself as a level of support. But if it doesn't hold, then there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. But it would not be shocking at all to see the downwards momentum continue that much more. From a pattern perspective, what we essentially have here is, a bear pennant, bear flag. Like I said, that's a very crude drawing. But point being, it's definitely within a bearish pattern right now, which brings about the next very interesting thing of, if that level does get the break to the downside. I'm not saying it's dropping straight down to these areas, but there is definitely some room for this thing to continue to run to the downside, really until potentially even 125. So definitely interesting areas in that regard. And then zoom back in here. And then as far as the breakout players are concerned and people looking to maybe try to play some sort of reversal, very well-defined breakout point right there where the sellers hung out all day long today. And that was right up there at the 131 mark. So 135, like I said, very, very clear level that a lot of people have taken notice of and will be watching. And again, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. A lot of people will be paying a very mindful attention to that level also. But let's see what happens with this one next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.